Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Sew It Yourself. For today's project, I'm going to share you how to cut and stitch this beautiful dhoti kurta for 1 to 2 year baby. For that, I have taken more pieces of strips for front portion and a plain fabric for back portion. Now, length of the strip is 3.5 inch and width is 15 inch. So this is applicable for all the strips, and this is for the back portion and also the other part of the front portion as well. So for front portion we need two parts. For the first part, just make a stitch here and also repeat the same for all the strips. Firstly, I'll show you how to do the markings in the back portion. Just fold the fabric by half in width. Length is 15.5 inch and width is 7.5 inch or 8 inch. So mark 2 inch from the folded side. This is the neck width point, and for the shoulder mark 2.5 inch. Mark half inch down for shoulder slope. Then from here mark 4.5 inch down for armhole depth measurement. I am joining these points. So mark 6 inch for chest and 1 inch for seam allowance. Just extend these points. And for the bottom, I am taking the same measurement as the chest and draw a armhole here. Now for the back neck, mark 2 inch and I am drawing a round neckline for back portion. With this marking is complete, now I am going to cut it. So for front portion, I have taken a folded paper. So just place the back portion on the paper and trace it. Now I am going to cut it. So when you open this paper, it looked like this. So what I am going to do is, from this point, draw a straight line till the bottom, and then from here mark 4.5 inch and extend these points. So where these two points are joining, there I am going to draw a slight curve like this and then cut it. So starting from this point, just cut till this point. So this is how it looks. Now for the front portion, for the other part, I have taken this fabric and I am just placing the back portion on it and trace this and cut it. So this is the other part of the front portion. Now this is the front portion. I am placing this draft here by folding some few inches and I am cutting the neck. So this is how it looks. Now I'll show you how to stitch the front portion. First I'll attach all the strips So similar to this, I'll finish attaching all the strips. So this is how it looks. Now I'll place the pattern and I will cut the front portion. I finished cutting. So this is the back portion. Now I'll place the front portion. So for front portion we have two parts. This is one part and for the other side we have this plain fabric. So now I'll make a stitch at the shoulder. Then I'll attach this lace here. And I'll make a stitch for all the strips. Now cut it. So similar to this, I will finish all the panels. Now I'll attach the shoulder. So this is how it looks. Now I'll finish the armhole. For that I have taken a bias tape. So I'll place the bias tape at the wrong side of the fabric and I'll make a stitch here. Just fold the bias tape twice and make a stitch. Now turn the bias tape at the right side of the fabric and make a stitch. So repeat the same procedure for the other side of the armhole as well. I finished attaching the armhole for both the sides. Now I'll attach the sides. So make a stitch here. I finished attaching. This is how it looks. So now I'll finish the bottom and also the neck portion. For the bottom, I have taken a straight piece. I'll place this at the wrong side of the fabric and I'll make a stitch here. Then I will turn it to the right side and I'll make a stitch. Then for the neck portion, I have taken the bias tape. I will place that at the wrong side of the fabric and I'll make a stitch. Firstly, I'll finish the bottom by placing the straight piece at the wrong side. Now fold it twice and make a stitch at the right side of the fabric. I finished the bottom. Now just fold the bias tape once and make a stitch at the wrong side of the neckline. I'm starting from the bottom. Now stitch up to this point and lift the pressure foot and turn the fabric and make a stitch here. This is the neck portion. Now trim the excess bias tape and fold it once and make a stitch. Now fold the bias tape twice at the right side of the fabric and make a stitch. I have finished attaching. Now I have taken a pieces of strip. Just fold the strip like this and make a stitch here. Now I am attaching the tassels on both the sides. So similar to this, I will finish one more strip. So this is how it looks. I have finished attaching the neckline and also the bottom. You can see. Now I'll place these strips in the kurta. Just fold the strip like this and place it here and make a stitch. Similar to this, I'll finish here also. So I have finished attaching. This is how it looks. It's so simple to make and you can pair it with the dhoti. So here I will attach the hooks. So with this my stitching is complete. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.